Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Hill. I made this quick video to review the instructions for today's election assignment for those of you that may have missed class on Monday when we went over the directions. So today's assignment, if you go to your class announcements, there is an assignment today. We went over this assignment in class on yesterday, and I'm going to need all of you to complete it today. It will be a grade. Go ahead and click directly on the link here. Just a reminder, today's the last day to take that Unit 2 history test from last week. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link here. And I know that it says that this link is unavailable. So I'm going to come back and sign in as Mrs. Hill here because it is not there yet. So let me go ahead and try to click this again. So this is what it will look like. You won't see it on your end until the actual day of the announcement, so that's why it's not showing up. It says no live history lesson. The graded assignment is Election Day 2020 activity and vote. So there will be no live history lesson. However, today will be a very historical day. Today is voting day or election day. Please complete the following graded assignment. So I have the graded assignment. You're going to click on this link in just a second. Right below here, I have all of these steps. All of these steps are within the assignment that I'm going to show you and go over, but I have them down below just in case some of these links should happen not to work in the assignment. I know I get a lot of emails sometimes about links not working. Now, if you click on this and it doesn't pop up right away, chances are it went up to your download. I know you're not going to be able to see the download, but now you should be able to see my Word document. So I opened it up and it's a PDF of a PowerPoint that I made. So again, we reviewed the directions in class on Monday. Today should be November 3rd. This will be a graded assignment. The first step, and this is step one, is to watch this Brain Pop video. There is a free Brain Pop video. It is a great resource. If you click directly on this picture, if you kind of just put your cursor over it, it should allow you, you should see that I'm not clicking anything at all. And if you double click on it and you click allow, it will connect you to Brain Pop. So what I want you to do is I want you to watch this Brain Pop video. And while you are watching that Brain Pop video, I'm going to have you answer 5 questions. So again, the same thing over here, this picture here is a live link. So you should be able to just click directly on it, click allow, and it will pull up the questions that you need to complete. So the first question is your first name, Mrs. Jessica, and then your second, Hill, and then I'm going to click next. And I'm going to be right here and I'm going to be ready to go while I open up that Brain Pop video. A presidential elect candidate could win the election with the following numbers of electoral votes: 150, 250, 300, or 550. And again, you're going to go ahead and continue down through. It's really small right now because I only have it set to 67%. If I set it to 100, you can read the screen a little better. There are 5 questions that I want you to complete. When you are done with that, you're going to click next. So that is the first step, is to watch that wonderful Brain Pop video. And it's going to require that you answer everything. So I'm just clicking answers here. I'm not going to tell you. Click next. Then I am sending you to another video. Now I'm also going to have the PDF attached. So actually the PDF that you are opening, you should be able to click directly on that as well. So just kind of pulling that back up. If you don't want to listen to me go over all of these, you can read this information on your own. So all of this is in that PDF. So this form is going to take you through the responses. So here I have another link within the PDF. It is a Scholastic website. Again, this is also listed below. If you click directly on the picture, it should pull up the Scholastic site. When you get in here, you can also click on these articles, and let me just kind of show you here. You can click where it says the candidates, and you can click on Donald Trump or Joe Biden, or you could go and do that on my document as well. You could come here. This is where I went over all of the issues that I'm going to have you guys watch. So these are some things I want you to go over. Why do I want you to go over them? Because I am going to have you vote in our presidential election. So you're going to go ahead and watch this video, or you are going to read. Let me just give you a video of my video. All right, I accidentally paused it. So once you're done watching that video or reading it yourself, you can go and check out, here's the video link. You can go and check out more information on your own, but what I want you to do is we're going to do a little mock election in our class. I know you guys aren't old enough to vote. Based on what you've read, based on what you've seen, who would you vote for? Cast your ballot and click submit, and you will be finished for the day. I just wanted to go over that with all of you. If you take a look at the Word document that I gave you, everything with a picture has a live link. I have the kid reporters here for you to check out. I have the compare the candidates on the issues that is I am going over in that video. And then if you want more information, you can click on either one of these. They will take you in a more detailed version of how each candidate stands on each issue. All right, boys and girls, I'm done talking. I hope that helps. Have a great day.